Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are discussing TVS bidirectional. What is TVS? It is transient voltage suppressor, or we can say suppressor diode. It is also known as Transil or thyrector. In video number 485 we discussed unidirectional TVS. If you look closely, unidirectional TVS is looking like a diode. It have a color band that is known as cathode. If we see another component, both components have approximately the same part number 1.5 KE 12. This one 12A and this one is 12CA. The difference in both 12CA and this have just only 12A. 12A have a band marking to identification that this is diode, but this one have no identification. If we check with some multimeter, 12A will be tested like a simple diode. One side forward bias. If you place black lead to the cathode, red lead to the anode, so it is unidirectional TVS. Swap the leads, reverse the leads, so it is open. Forward, in the second direction it is reverse. But if we check 12CA, because this don't have any band marking, it is open. Swap the lead, it is open. In both directions this is open. What is the difference between these two? In my this video we discussed 12A, but today we will discuss 12CA. It is bidirectional TVS. What is difference between bidirectional TVS? First of all, we have to know the difference between these two components. Unidirectional TVS, it works like a Zener diode. In forward condition, it have just only forward voltage 0.7 volts. After that, it starts a forward current. In reverse region, it have a hold off voltage that is called VR. After that, BV. This is its breakdown voltage. From this point to this point, it is called its regulation voltage, and then this point it is clamp. Here it will clamp the voltage. How it will work? It is connected in DC circuits. The one side positive, the second end is connected in ground side. It works like a Zener, but it does not have any series resistor because it works as a clamping diode. When the spike will increase from its level, so it will clip off. It will clip off the excessive peak, so it will discharge the excessive peak from its material. It is used to remove high power spikes. After that, we will receive clamped voltage in reverse region in this portion. But if a spike will come in the opposite way, it will just only clamp the 0.7 volt, that is forward voltage. In reverse, if it is 12 volt, so it will provide 12 volt from 0 level to 12 volt. But in reverse region, when it will work in a forward condition, at that time it will just only give 0.6, 0.7 volt, that is negative clamped waveform. But in our today's video we are discussing bidirectional TVS. So it is used most of the time in AC circuits, or where we can receive a positive or negative spikes. So it will clamp in the both directions. If it is from 0 to 12 volt or 0 to minus 12 volt, in both directions it will give a 12 volt positive or negative clamped voltage. If you look at symbol unidirectional TVS, its symbol is this. But bidirectional TVS, it have both sided Zener voltage, both side clamping voltage. We have this symbol, this or this. So this symbol looks like a Zener. It have double bars sometimes, or sometimes it is similar to Zener. Here it is just only one side Zener, second side the forward diode. But here it works a both-sided Zener diode. Either it will work in this portion or either it will work in this portion. In both sides it has the same breakdown voltage and then it have a clamping voltage. TVS diodes are mentioned in kilowatts because it is used to remove the spikes, transients. So high power spikes are removed by these diodes. So these are in 1.5 kilowatt. The first digit 1.5 kW, that means 1500 watts. Breakdown voltage from 6.8 volt to 440 volt. This is 1.5 KE, that means 1.5 kilowatt, and E12, that is 12 volt, and CA, that is bidirectional TVS. It is 1.5 K, that means 1.5 kilowatt, E12, 12 volt, A. So A is unidirectional, CA is bidirectional. TVS diodes are also available in 1N series or different manufacturers, but today I am discussing ST Microelectronics 1.5 KE. So 1.5 KE is available in unidirectional and bidirectional and fast response time. So it is used in high over voltage protection by clamping action. So it removes the spikes by clamping action. We can say if this is unwanted spike in positive side or negative side, so it will clamp off. The unidirectional will clamp off from 0.7 volt and the other side it will clamp above than the rated voltage. In reverse region it will clamp the excessive spikes from the rated value of the TVS. Here is mentioned 1500 watts peak pulse power dissipation. These TVS diodes are similar to Zener diode, but its PN junction is much wide, very large than a Zener diode. Zener diode is a normal regulator, but these TVS diodes are used to clip off the excessive spikes, so it have to dissipate power for the excessive spikes. So it is measured in peak pulse power dissipation, and normal power dissipation is 5 watts. If it is used as a routine power regulator, so it will around 5 watts. For the spikes it will work at 1500 watts. IFSM, non-repetitive surge peak forward current. It is 200 ampere for less than 10 millisecond. Its storage temperature minus 65 to 175 degree and junction temperature, working temperature 175, and maximum lead temperature for soldering it is 230 degrees centigrade maximum. Marking and ordering 1.5. It is peak pulse power dissipation. Because these TVSs are available in different power dissipation, we have to identify what is our requirement. So it is 1.5, that means 1500 watt, KE, that is the brand name, then 100, if it is 100, so 100 volt. In our this under discussion component it is 12, so it means it is 12 volt. Then CA or A. If here is A is unidirectional and CA is bidirectional. So this component is 12 CA, so it is bidirectional, and this component it is unidirectional. The same in the image. This component is unidirectional and this component is bidirectional. In this chart we can find the different values from 1.5 KE 6V8 ARCA. We need A, that is unidirectional. CA is bidirectional. And the last number in this chart, that is 440, unidirectional or bidirectional. We can select our required value for protection because these TVSs are used as a protection circuit. These are used as a clamping circuit. TVS diodes, as a unidirectional, it is used to protect a circuit in DC, and bidirectional, most of the time it is used in AC circuits. And here the TVS diode, it is used in protection for IGBT, to protect the gate. And sometimes the TVS diodes, the TVS suppressors are used in DC lines, DC rails, to protect from transients in the DC rail, either it is positive spike or negative spike. In our upcoming video, we will make a test procedure how we can test this TVS. In video number 486, I discussed the unidirectional TVS testing. In our upcoming video, we will test this bidirectional TVS. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.